Kelly, and I am back with another Get Ready With Me video. Now, if this is your first time joining me, or this is the first time you decide to check out one of my videos that's not about my chickens, I am an online Avon sales representative, and I love trying the new products and seeing what is out there to help enhance my natural beauty and come up with recommendations if you want to find ways to enhance your natural beauty. Now, I took advantage of Avon's summer sales and some of their promotions to get some new products to try. So I can't wait to show you these new products and show you that you can have a pretty, polished look in about 5 minutes or less. So let's get started. When I start my makeup, I always start with my eyes. And one of the products I've been wanting to try for a while is the FMG Glimmer Shadow, and this is the liquid eyeshadow, and I have it in Bronze Age. Now with this shadow, I just get it out, and you'll notice that I'm not using the eyeshadow primer because I found with this product, I really don't need the primer. And so I dot it on my eyelid, and then I come in with my finger, and I rub it across and tap it in. So, and if you want to just do it straight across with the brush, the applicator that comes with it, you can absolutely do that. I just find that I like the look better when I do the tap. Then Kleenex to kind of wipe the excess off my finger. Then the FMG Glimmer eyeliners, I have been using these since I started with Avon. They are among my favorite eyeliners ever. And I have the Glimmer Diamond Eyeliner, and I have it in Brown Sugar. It's a nice, just great basic brown eyeshadow, or not eyeshadow, eyeliner. And I come in, and I just lightly line along my lash line. So both eyes lined. I'm going to do a quick check in the bigger mirror, and then come in and I curl my eyelashes. And in this last campaign, campaign 16, I ordered some products so that I could get the free FMG Glimmer volumizing, Super Shock volumizing mascara. I had a promo from the True Color. There was that I got when I first started, and I loved that. So I was excited to see how the Glimmer stacks up to that. And so again, just put it on my lashes. Eyelashes are done. And now essentially the makeup part of my eyes are done. And I am going to go through, I always use a little bit of cleansing water. Right now I'm using the Rice Water Bright. And I come in and I go under my eye just for any stray makeup that came under there. Go out the edges. And then that takes care of the makeup part of my eye routine. So I'm going to let this dry for a minute and then show you my next steps. Okay, so now that I've removed the excess makeup that came under and the area is dry, I get a new vitamin C under eye cream, and I get a tiny, tiny little drop, use my ring finger, and come in underneath, just to help with those dark circles that show that I didn't quite get enough sleep last night, but that's okay. That's life, where it's reality. You don't always get the sleep you want, but sometimes we can have just a little bit of help to make us look a little bit more rested. And then one of the products I picked up in campaign 16 so that I could get that mascara was the FMG Cashmere Concealer. And I am loving this for tackling my under eye circles. I just dot it underneath And I know some people do all their concealer and everything before their makeup. I find that I like doing it afterwards so that if I have any oopsies or I get makeup underneath, I don't have to come back in and redo it. I can just do it once and be done. And so this is what works for me. I also typically don't wear much foundation. In fact, I don't wear foundation. I've never been a big fan of it, although there is a new product coming out in campaign 19 that I may have to try to see if that'll get me to be a convert to using more facial makeup. I'll have to try it and let you know what I think. But now you can see under eye area is done. You'll notice that I tap and rub in with my ring finger because it has the least amount of pressure and you don't want to tug on that delicate under eye skin. So now that the eyes are done, I have my lips and my cheeks to take care of. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lips before I do my cheeks. And the other product that I picked up to get the free mascara was the birthday balm. I have been seeing this all over the Avon YouTube channel, and I wanted to see what all the fuss was about with this birthday balm. And I picked up the shade, I need to get the glasses so I can actually see it. This is life. Private Party. It's a pink shade that is just a nice neutral with a hint of pink. So go ahead and put it on. And it is hydrating and smooth and just a great light pink. It's a pinkish neutral. I like this a little bit better than the lip butter, and because it's not quite as shiny. The lip butter is slightly stickier than this, so if you want something that's hydrating with a hint of shine that is not sticky at all, the birthday balm is going to be your new best friend. So ton of shades in this. I know that I will be definitely picking up more of these, and if you are looking to add to your makeup collection or want to try some of these, if you spend $25 on makeup through August 27th, you'll receive a free bottle of brush cleanser. So just something to tuck aside. And then the other product that has been a surprise to me, it came as part of a freebie bundle from one of Avon's Shop and Learn sessions. Every Thursday, there is a session that highlights some of Avon's products. And one of the best things about these sessions is they have a code for a free product bundle. Actually, two codes. There's one code if you spend $60, and then there's a code if you spend $100. And so on one of these, I used the code, and I got a new cream blush. I got some of the Avon, a new firming collagen cream, and there are a couple other items in that one. But this is one, I love the cream blush, but I never would have picked Icy Petal. It looks like shiny pink bubblegum. Not gonna lie. The color initially turned me off, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try. So, I apply this on the apples of my cheeks, rub it in and take it up my cheekbones. And this is one that has surprised me because although at the moment it is looking a little pinkier in regular light and throughout the course of the day, it looks so natural. I am really happy that I ended up getting this as a freebie because I would not have picked Icy Petal. I mean, I love my blushing nude, and sometimes I will layer the blushing nude with this just to get a more depth of color. But as of right now, my makeup is done. Eye makeup, cheeks, and lips. I hope you've enjoyed getting ready with me today, and maybe something I've used today has caught your eye. If you want to try any of these products, the link to my Avon store is in the description below, as well as links to each individual product so you don't have to hunt for each one if you just are looking for one thing. And if you do spend $25 or more on makeup through August 27th, you will receive a free bottle of the FMG brush cleaner while supplies last. If you shop on Thursdays and Fridays, there are those shop and learn promo codes. There's one for spending $60 for a free product bundle and if you spend $100. And I do post those codes in the community section of my YouTube channel, so watch for those on Thursdays. I try and get them out Thursday afternoon once I have those codes. And then also, if you are interested in becoming an Avon representative, I would love to have you join my Finding Beauty team, and the link to join is down below. And as an Avon representative, you do get access to products before launch, so that's why I was able to hint at something coming soon that I'm excited to try to see if maybe it'll convert me to having a little bit more makeup on, or maybe I'll just stick with what I already do. At any rate, I'm so glad you joined me today, and I hope that you'll continue to join me as we create and find beauty in our world together.